Hey you guys, and what is up? Today is Vlogmas day 3. I'm watching Lori's DIY in the background, but we just got home from going to the eye doctor, and oh my gosh, what a pain. I got upset and frustrated because honestly I forgot to take my meds. So this is like a quick little like reminder to take your medicine, but I forgot to take my meds and I'm gonna blame it on myself. I just got really frustrated and whatever, but thankfully we kind of figured it out. I think we got a game plan going. The problem is that Matthew has like, let me turn this down. He has like a really complicated prescription and he can't be without his glasses. So the place that we were going to was going to have him drop off his glasses for, what was it?
2 weeks.
2 weeks. How do they expect people to be without their glasses? And their reasoning or their explanation of how they wanted people to deal with that was to basically get a different pair, get another pair, have a second pair. People usually just buy another pair. It's like, so you're forcing people to buy another pair because you're taking their glasses for 2 weeks. That was their reasoning. So it made no sense, but thankfully we called another place. Well, Matthew called another place and we were able to get that figured out. So yay. Anyways, today is gonna be, we're gonna chill for a little bit. Matthew is gonna try to fix the tree. He's out here in his pajama pants. Oh no, it's not focusing on you. There it goes. But he's in his pajama pants, hanging out. We're hanging out. I'm in my pajamas too, because the place that we're going to closes at 9, and we have somewhere to be later too. We're gonna go to a show. It's like a little concert. Our friend, his name is Alex. He is in a cover band for the Dave Matthews Band. Like, it's a Dave Matthews Band cover band. I guess that's what you can call it, right? Yeah. And we're gonna go to that later. So that should be fun. I'll bring you along for that. So yeah, just wanted to update you all, and I'll insert the clips of the little things that we did here and there so you can actually kind of see that I've actually been trying to vlog. I don't know what time I'm going to be able to get this vlog up at, because this show starts, I believe it starts at 8, and I don't know how long it's going to go for, so I don't know when I'll get to edit. So
you said end time is at 12.
End time is at 12, which would mean we're going into Vlogmas day 4. So y'all may see this really late. So joy. Anyways, I will talk to you later. This is my intro and the start to Vlogmas day 3. Good morning. This is my dad's truck and I have to go return it. So this is my morning. Made it to mom's house. Look at her Christmas tree. Isn't it so cute? Look. If only mine would turn on. But it's okay. Matthew promised he was going to fix it. I'm still searching for a gift for my nephew because we have too many for my niece. Found it. We bought the exact same thing for my niece, but in like a Hello Kitty one, and I think she'll love this. So I'm really excited for her. Okay, now our next job is to go to the optometrist because we have bad vision. Today's been filled of like just running errands and stuff. I'm not here for it, but I can't wait to get home and just rest. Okay, you guys, I gotta get ready. We have to leave apparently in 50 minutes. I haven't showed you all this setup that I have here, but this is in our master bedroom, and I am gonna try to get ready here. So that is my plan for right now. I'm just gonna take out all this stuff. I think eventually I'm gonna try to figure out how it would be best for me to set this up, because now I have I think I told y'all I'm getting a new desk for my office, and that already arrived, but we have to build it. So my old desk that I had, I went ahead and put it in my bedroom because it's really narrow, so I really can't use it for like planner stuff. So we put it in our master bedroom for me to like use it as like a vanity. So I really love that idea. Also, excuse, like, honestly, like, the house is really messy, but we're not even gonna worry about that. I'll explain it all later. Thing is, I needed to remove this desk from the other room to have space for the other desk to get built over there. So I'm really happy about this because now I have like a little vanity area where I can do my makeup, and it's right in front of the window, so we'll have literally perfect lighting. Yay! Hi, Matthew.
Hi.
It looks so good. Hey you guys, so we just got home. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired, but it's 11:28, so why isn't it focusing on me? No? I think maybe, I don't know, whatever. But it is 11:28 and I have to edit this vlog to make sure that it goes up on time. So if you enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I will talk to y'all literally probably in a few hours. Bye!